Hi, I'm Anthony Lobo. I'm a junior musical theater major, and I am one of the executive committee members, one of the choreographers, and one of the performers in Celebration of the Arts.
1, 2 and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8.
So my role as an executive is I help Carrie decide some of the numbers she's going to put in the show. Like, we help pick some of the set lists just a little bit.
First time in forever. First time in forever, yes.
I think What Is This Feeling is more up-tempo to come after Jet Set.
Yes, I agree. I like that. I like that first three.
We also go to meetings and we help do all of the background stuff that no one really sees. Like, we help schedule out the show, make sure each number goes in the right order so no one's conflicting too much. We help set up rehearsals sometimes. We also help run rehearsals. That is a lot of the things we do as the executive committee. I am so excited for the audience to see this entire show. It is a great show. I'm choreographing Shakin' the Blues Away from Holiday Inn, so I'm so excited for people to see that. But I just can't wait for everyone to see how dedicated and how hardworking the performers are, because it is a beast of a show to put on, and everyone in the show is doing so great.
My role as an executive committee member for Celebration of the Arts is Celebration Unplugged coordinator. I'm responsible for designing the space and developing the creative vision to showcase everyone before our main stage production happens at 7:30. I balance my leadership responsibilities with my creative role in the show by making sure that when I'm planning for Unplugged, it doesn't conflict with our celebration rehearsal schedule. Now, this means proficient time management skills and organization of all ideas, so then I can achieve my goals all at once for the day. Talked about like everything outside, like the circle, like how the lobby's going to be set up, because we have other like art majors being like setting up their like senior showcase in the lobby at the same time as Unplugged and Circle and everything else. The most rewarding part about being involved in this variety style performance is definitely working under the amazing direction of Carrie Simpson and working with this super talented supportive team here at Lynn Drama. I do believe that performing in different musical numbers back to back is so rewarding because it gives us the opportunity to hone in on our skills and inspires creativity.
I like to get like a, look over the schedule, what we're doing that day, get a little stretch in, warm up, so I can like bring my best self forward to really make the rehearsal process a lot easier and better. This show, especially this year, helps a lot because there's so much going on, and staying on top of it makes it a lot easier to flow. And I think it puts you in like a better mental space to know what's coming up and to be ready for it. Especially with like a big show like this, every single number is from a different show, different part in the show. So I think like doing that extra like prep and having that good time management can help a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5. Bob.
Hi, I'm Madison Pappalardo, and I'm a senior musical theater student here at Lynn University. I am also the dance captain of the show, so I've been doing a lot of choreography, cleaning numbers. I've got to sit in on meetings about planning foods for the event itself, about marketing ideas, how many tickets we have, like ticket sales, just anything that you can think of Celebration and what would need to be involved in Celebration. Pretty much me and a fellow student, Sophia, we got to be a part of that as well, which is really cool. One of the challenges being part of the executive committee and being a student as well is being able to separate myself kind of as like a leader role model, but still also being a student with my fellow peers. I think what's so good about Celebration, especially with this program, is because all of us are super close, so it helps us stay motivated as a team. It's just because we're all super good friends, so motivating each other is super easy. Celebration is usually my favorite show that we do here, just because of everything involved in it and how a lot of programs come together to just make it happen. And I'm really sad that it's coming to an end, but I'm excited to share that my last time on stage with the audience as well.